Feeling bogged down by payroll? Ever wish it was as simple as a few clicks, instead of a confusing stack of paperwork? What if I told you it could be? Today, we're going to show you how to streamline your small business payroll using a powerful, free tool, Relay. Relay is a banking platform designed specifically for small businesses, and it's a game changer when it comes to managing your finances. One of its standout features is the ability to connect directly with your payroll provider, making payday a breeze. No more manual transfers, no more double-checking account numbers, just seamless, automated payments. So, how does it work? Let's dive in. First, you'll need a Relay account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to set up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Integrations section. This is where the magic happens. Relay integrates with top payroll providers like Gusto and Rippling, but you can also connect with others using their powerful integration tools. Next, you'll link your payroll provider account to Relay. This usually involves a simple sign-in process through Relay's secure portal. Once connected, you'll authorize Relay to share the necessary information. Don't worry, this is all done with bank-level security to protect your data. Now for the best part. When you run payroll, your provider will automatically send a request to Relay to pull the funds. You'll get a notification to approve the transaction, and with a single click, your employees are paid. It's that simple. And because Relay is built for business, it also provides detailed transaction records and reports, making it easy to track your payroll expenses and stay on top of your budget. This seamless integration saves you valuable time and reduces the risk of errors, freeing you up to focus on what really matters: growing your business. Say goodbye to the manual hustle and hello to automated, stress-free payroll. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.